Do you know that you can actually make money selling ebooks? Now, this is not one of the stories you've heard before. I mean, you've heard a lot of stories that, do you know you can actually make $1,000 selling ebooks on Amazon KDP? Do you know that you can actually make $2,000 selling books on Selar? Blah, 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 blah. And here you are, immediately you hear $1,000. Voila! You head over to Selar. Boom! You head over to ChatGPT. Boom! And you start creating your ebook and you drop it there. You create one ebook, you dump it there, and you go. You don't bother to market, you don't bother to advertise it, and you just dump it there. And you now come and say, it's a lie. Those people that are making money selling ebooks and Seller, it's a lie. It is not true. It is true. You know, the problem is that you cannot stay committed. People want to generate quick money, but how many people want to continue? Like, how many people can stay committed to it? How many people can actually stay true to this channel that brings you money? And this is not a Ponzi scheme. Like, creating ebooks, it's not actually a Ponzi scheme. It's just something that takes time, that you need to leverage on, you need to build, and you need to do it continuously before you can actually get results. You see those people that will come and tell you that, do you know I actually make $1,000 selling books on Seller or selling books on Amazon KDP? They were committed. They won't tell you that backstory. They won't tell you behind the scenes. They won't tell you how some of them did not sleep for days because they were trying to create ebooks. They were trying to, put their words together, generate and publish these ebooks, create content that markets these ebooks. They won't tell you all of that, but they'll come and tell you that, do you know that you can actually make $1,000 selling ebooks on Amazon KDP? Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in for the first time, I love you so much. Thank you for coming by. And if you're a returning subscriber, oh my god, I love you big. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for your comments. I see a lot of your comments. I see a lot of your messages. I see a lot of likes, and I see your subscriptions too, and I'm super grateful. Thank you so much for always tuning in on my channel. So in today's video, I want to quickly tell you some of your expectations, some of the things that you can actually do so that you will not get frustrated in the course of creating an ebook, especially when you want to sell them. Sometimes you've seen videos like, you can actually generate this amount of money creating ebook and selling them on all digital platforms, and these people will not tell you the backstories. They won't tell you the real thing that you're supposed to do to actually make that real sales. Actually, selling a book, creating a book, publishing it, selling it is actually true. And the thing is, those people making those money too, they are actually saying the truth. But the thing is that they are not telling you the backstories. They are not telling you the real deal. And that's what I want to do in this video. I want to tell you what to expect, what not to expect, if you must get results, what to do and what not to do. Okay? And also in this video, I'm going to be telling you, or I'm going to be walking you through the process of how you can actually generate an ebook without you being a publisher or a writer. That sounds good, right? Yeah. You don't have to be a publisher, you don't have to be a writer, you don't even have to have an idea on how to write. You can actually get an AI to do that for you, and it will come correct. Trust me when I say it will come correct. I mean, I'm going to be showing you a particular tool that you'll be using to actually generate your ebook and that you can sell. And the most important thing, how you can market it that it will generate money for you. And please, one thing I want to point your attention to is that if you are lazy, this video is not for you. I mean, if you cannot stay committed, this video is not for you. If you are not consistent, if you know that you will not be consistent, this video is not for you. Just waka pass. Go and look for your Ponzi scheme where you make money, sharp money. Yeah. I have that one actually. If you want to make passive income without you having to do anything, I have that one. But my own is not big money. It's just small money that will be dropping into your account. But then again, it's still money, right? Money is money. But if you know you want to make passive big money, you want to make huge money selling ebooks online, just chillax, sit down, relax. I'm going to be walking you through the process of how you can actually do that. Okay? Now, the first thing you want to do is, I'm going to we're going to head over to my screen now. I'm going to show you how you can actually create an ebook and sell. All right, now let's head over to my screen while I show you how you can actually create an ebook that you can actually sell. That's the first step. So in the next step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually market it. I mean, how you can create content. Some of you might say you are digital shy, you are camera shy, like you don't know how to do all those, gymnastics, all these dances to promote your book. Worry less. I'm going to be showing you how you can actually create real videos that can actually promote your ebook that you just generated, that can help you market it. Okay, go around and watch this video to the end while I'll be showing you everything you need to do in order to start your journey as a writer, even without being a writer. So the first thing you want to do is to go to ChatGPT and type in, give me an ebook idea that sells well. So it will give you a list of topics on ebooks that you can generate. So the next thing you want to go is to go to this website called Animated and type in the topic, type in the title of your ebook, the who you want to address your ebook to, about the book, about the author, and all of that. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below. So this app is going to generate your ebook for you in less than 5 minutes, right? So this is the outline of the ebook, and you go ahead and click on generate ebook. So once you click on generate ebook, it will generate your ebook for you, and that way you are going to see the list of your generated ebook. So if you don't want to generate ebook that way, the next thing you can do, this one is the next step, like it's in 2 ways actually. If you don't want to go through that process where AI will have to generate it for you, you can actually use this method. You can go to ChatGPT again and type in, I want to create an ebook on blah blah blah, on an expecting mom. Like this is just a sample. So you give ChatGPT the prompts that I want to create an ebook on so topic, and I want to pass the message across to so group of people and all of that. So this is the prompt. So ChatGPT is going to give you suggestions on topics, book titles, and whatever that you might want to generate. It will give you a list of topics on ebook ideas that you might want to generate, right? So you're going to pick a particular topic and copy it to a Word document where you can actually edit some of this course title, right? So remove those things that needs to be removed. You can actually use Quillbot to paraphrase some of this text. So I made a video on how to get Quillbot Premium for free, so you can check. I'm going to be leaving the link to the video in the description below, so you can check out the video and see ways you can actually get it. So after all said and done, you want to head over to Canva and type in ebook, right? So you see a lot of templates. Canva is it has free templates that you can actually use as your ebook template. So look at the one that suits your topic well, that is eye-catchy, and you know that it will be easy for you to edit and navigate through, right? So you want to go to pick one. We get pick one of these templates. There are a lot of templates, right? Although some of them have premium features. I made a video on how to get Canva Premium, but YouTube brought it down for reasons best known to them. I don't know, but I'm going to do another video on how you can get your Canva Pro for free. So we get to pick this particular template that we want to use for our ebook, right? So all you just have to do is to edit, like remove some things, put some things back, edit it. And again, if you don't want to go through the process of using Canva to generate your ebook, you can also tell ChatGPT to create a PDF, your ebook in PDF for you. So once you tell ChatGPT to create your ebook in PDF, it will automatically generate your PDF for you. That is if you don't want to go through this Canva process of like, editing and all of that. But I feel this Canva is really good because it's like you can see it's eye catchy. I mean, it will make the reader want to read the book because it has a lot of pictures inclusive and all of that. So I feel it will be like, eye catching. And after that, after you've edited all you have to edit, you go ahead and download it and also copy the link. Can you see? You're going to copy the link to your the link of your ebook and also download it as PDF, right? Okay, so after you have done that, then you want to go to Selar. So actually Selar is not all totally free. Like I paid 3,000 naira a year to be able to post my ebook on Selar, so it's not all that free, okay, but it will give you access to post as many ebooks as possible, right? And you can see that I've made so much sales selling book on Selar. You can see all the sales I've made. All right, so you want to go to Selar and click on, if you don't have an account, if you're new to it, you can go ahead and create a profile. But in my case, we'll not be creating a profile, we will be uploading a new product. Okay, you want to click on product. As you can see, sell a product type, select a product type rather. So you can see it's either you want to sell physical products, digital products, ticket, subscription, services, courses and all of that. But in our case, we want to sell a digital product, we want to sell an ebook, right? So you want to add your product here. You want to put your ebook cover, right? So you want to put the picture, the ebook cover, so you want to put the name of your product, that's the ebook title in this space. And also you want to drag you want to put in your cover photo as well. Then you put in the unnecessary details, and also in the price tag, I don't know if you've tried to purchase something on Jumia or any online store and they have crossed a particular price, they've crossed it out and they are giving you a new price. That's the strategy. You see, the price they give you is the actual price. Okay, so in this case you want to use this also to promote your product. It's actually a very nice one. If you want to sell your product for, like, let's say 2,000 naira is the actual price, you might want to put like 5,000 naira and cross it, then you put 2,000 naira as this discounted price. So it's actually a marketing strategy. All right, and you want to put in all necessary details as well. You want to put product type, like what your product is all about and what have you. So make sure you put in all necessary details that you want to put. Then at the end of the day, you want to include your main ebook, right? And you put in your description, the price and all of that. So after all said and done, upsell product, you want to you're going to click whether you want to upsell products or not, and what have you. Then you just make sure you cross check, dot all the I's, cross all the T's, and boom, your ebook is ready to be published on Selar, right? And again, you want to check if you want to allow people to download your ebook or not. If you want to allow people to download it, fine. If it is read only, maybe people will just buy. After they buy, they can just read and go. So you select whichever one that you want your ebook to be, whether read only or you want it to be downloadable. So the next thing is go ahead and create a product. That way your book will be displayed on Selar, available for purchase. Now let's go to how we can market it. Go back to ChatGPT
and type in create a script on how I can market my product, my digital product, right? So it will generate a script for you. You want to copy the script and head over to this app called Filmora. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description below. Go to Filmora, go to text to video, click on AI copywriting. So you want to make reels, right? Click on 9:16, 1 minute. Want our video to be 1 minute, and you go ahead and click on OK. All right, I'm deleting this too because that's ChatGPT prompt. We don't want to include it in our text to video. All right, so this guy here, right here, is going to generate a script for you that you can actually convert to a video, right? So I have successfully created that, and it's converting my script into a video that I can actually use as an advert. It's generating a reel, an Instagram reel, Facebook reel, TikTok reel that is eye-catching, that people can actually watch, and they can as well that it will link them to my ebook so that they can actually purchase. So this is creating, and boom, 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 boom. So this has successfully generated, and this is what we have. So this is what my ebook my reel looks like. Okay, you can see that it has actually generated a reel for me. So you go ahead and export it. Okay, so this is what it is looking like. Let me play it for you so that you can hear.
With our guide, How to Launch a Profitable Online Business in 30 Days. Success is within reach. Imagine sitting at your laptop, excited as sales notifications light up your screen, showcasing the fruits of your labor.
So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video and this video has actually added value to you, please don't forget to click the subscription button. Don't forget to also click on the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload another video like this, you will be the first person to get notified that we have uploaded another video. And please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to all your comments. All right, till I see you again in my next video. Bye.